Hi guys, today we just got to Walmart. We're making pigs in the Franklins, so let's get going. Oh, good. No, let's go. Okay, the first thing we need is meat. That's how you make it. So where is it, the meat? Right here. Let's take it off. Yeah. Let's throw in the stuff. Well, yeah. Let's go. Do. Guy, can you help me find where's the dough? Good job. It's right here. Let's get it. Oh, we can't mix the pancakes. We have enough at home. What do we think we're going to have for breakfast? Oh, syrup.
Ready?
We're almost missing that.
All right, let's go, girl.
Let's go.
We're done.
Oh, this black Barbie needs a snack. Okay, let's get the snack. And let's go. Okay, let's get the snack. Wait. Oh, no. Mommy said no to the soda. Mommy. Soda. Okay, let's make this pick and blankets. So let's go. Let's break the door. Hiya. And place the meat and the dough. Yeah. Roll it up and get ready. Oh, my brother DJ. Hi, DJ. So let's get rolling. Ooh. Let's place it in. Woo! There. Guys, it looks so yummy. You turn out good and really good. Bye.